Hi everyone, it's me, Spring, the fiber enthusiast, and welcome to the channel. Today is your introduction video for the Sleeves First cardigan crochet along. This is going to run through the month of December. Every Monday through the month of December, you will get a portion of this cardigan. So the first Monday, being today's video, is the introduction video. And then we go into the sleeves and the front panel, the back panel, sewing it together. All that stuff gets split up and you get a portion on each Monday through the month of December. Now, the reason for this sleeves first is because, sometimes we get stuck on Sleeve Island and we may get one done and not the other, or none done. And it's the same thing if you're a sock knitter or a sock crocheter. Sometimes you'll do one and you're like, I don't want to do the other one. So that's kind of the rhyme and reason behind the Sleeves First cardigan. So when I designed this with a pattern to go up the top of the sleeve on both sides and then down your front panels. Your back panel is whatever you want to do. If you want to make it like the front, go for it. All I did was plain Jane. That's it. Now I did tie it all together by making this ribbing, and the ribbing goes all the way around and it matches your cuffs on your sleeves. Now this, I'm not going to say is a beginner friendly, due to the fact that you really need to have some basics for creating garments for yourself or someone else. That way you have the overall idea, and what I'm giving you is the pattern, how to sew it together, that type of thing. Your multiples you are going to be on there, but the amount of repeats you do is up to you. The size yarn, the size hook you use is going to be up to you. I will tell you that I used a Furls wood J hook, so a 6mm. And for this cardigan, I used Premier Basix white, and I had 3 skeins, which was 1,077 yards total for the 3 skeins. Now, I used 831 of those yards. For the green, anywhere you see these colors of green, anywhere you see that I used the Caron Cinnamon Swirl cake, and the colorway on it is Green Flash. Now, for the numbers on it, I had 2 cakes, which was a total of 814 yards. I used a total of 667 yards of the green. But that's to fit me. I'm short. I'm a short torso. My arms may be a different size. My, overall comfort might be different. So those are like reasons why I say this isn't necessarily a beginner and an exact pattern. This amount is large. This amount is small, medium, extra large, triple X. That is one of the things that you kind of have to be able to know when you work through this pattern. So yeah, that's why I'm saying it's not exactly beginner friendly. It's more of an intermediate, having the basic knowledge of making garments. As far as your tension, that can vary too. It can vary from day to day, week to week, mood to mood. Your tension is going to be different than mine. I will tell you right off the bat, I am more of a relaxed crocheter. I'm not a super tight crocheter. So you may need more repeats than I have. Even if you do have a short torso and you could fit the same size, you might need a little bit of a few extra repeats or a few extra multiples, just because you're a tighter crocheter than I am. That's all. it changes from person to person. And like I said, mood to mood, yarn to yarn. The yarn you choose might be slightly thinner or slightly thicker. All of that plays a part in each and every project you do. That's why when you work off of a pattern, there's gauge swatches, things like that. I don't use gauge swatches when I'm designing. I just make it to fit me. And that way I can wear it and I can enjoy it when it's done. So at any rate, we will go through this. I will have a little introduction clip in front of each video. And that is just for those that are seeing, say they've never been to the channel or they're new to the channel, but they missed this video and the first video. And they get to the third video and they're like, what is she doing? These little introduction clips are just to let you know that, hey, this is part of a crochet along. Go back to this video and watch from the beginning. And then we'll move into what your project part is for that week. All right, so just a quick overview. We've got the design down the top of each sleeves. Do it or don't do it. Have fun with it. The design on the front panels. If you don't want the design on the front panels, don't do it. If you want to do it on the front and the back, go for it. Completely optional. This collar, make it your own. You don't have to go all the way around. I went all the way around with it. And I made the edges, instead of square, they're kind of rounded. So there's that. Put buttonholes on it and buttons. Have fun with it. Absolutely have fun with it. I did this to just kind of tie everything together, and I like that up collar. But you can fold it over and fold it down. Absolutely. Put you a couple buttons. By all means. So this is, make it how you want it. It is going to be more of an intermediate to advanced, not because of anything other than you kind of need to know the basics of making garments in order to do this. And word of a little bit of advice here from me. I'm not everyone's cup of tea when it comes to tutorials. My tutorials are done from a dyslexic ADHD brain. So there's that, and I'm not for everyone, and I completely understand it and get it. I know you find your person and you run with them because you get it, you understand them. So just a little piece of information there to let you know that I'm not for everybody as far as the way that I teach. If you're a very strict by the book type person, I may not be the person that you're going to be able to follow. If you are, ADHD or dyslexic, you might catch on right away and be like, oh, thank you, I finally understand. It's all in you and how you interpret and take that information in that's given. I'm giving you the information. We'll see how it goes. So anyway, I just wanted to let y'all know that this is Sleeves First Cardigan Crochet Along for the month of December, and I hope that you all enjoy and have fun with it. All right, everyone, I will see you in the next video, which is our sleeves.